Welcome back to my kitchen, food lovers. Today we're diving into a recipe that promises to impress: chicken fried rice. This dish will transport you to your favorite restaurant without ever leaving home. Ready to learn the secrets to a dish that's bursting with flavor and colorful ingredients? Let's get started. First, let's gather all the ingredients you'll need. For this recipe, you'll require 2 cups of cooked rice, preferably day-old rice, 1 cup of leftover shredded chicken, 2 beaten eggs, 1 cup of mixed veggies, peas and carrots work great, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 2 chopped green onions. Don't forget the salt and pepper to taste. These simple ingredients come together to create something extraordinary. The key to perfect fried rice begins with day-old rice. Cold separated grains make all the difference, preventing clumping and ensuring each grain is perfectly fried. So if you have any leftover rice in your fridge, it's time to put it to good use. Next, heat a large skillet or wok with a little drizzle of sesame oil. Sesame oil adds that authentic flavor we're after. Once hot, pour in the beaten eggs and scramble them until fluffy. Transfer the scrambled eggs to a plate and set them aside for later. In the same skillet, add your mixed veggies. The vibrant colors of the vegetables will not only make your dish look appealing, but also provide a crunch and freshness. Feel free to get creative and add other veggies like broccoli or bell peppers if you like. Stir-fry them for a couple of minutes until tender. Now it's time to introduce the shredded chicken to the skillet. Let it cook and mingle with the veggies for a minute or two. The aroma filling your kitchen at this stage will be nothing short of amazing, an indicator of the flavors melting together. Here comes the game changer, soy sauce. Drizzle it over the chicken, veggies, and rice, stirring everything to ensure every grain is coated in rich, savory goodness. This step locks in the flavor, creating that signature taste that we all adore in fried rice. Finally, remember those fluffy scrambled eggs. It's time to reincorporate them. Mix the eggs back into the rice, stirring until everything is well combined. This will add an additional layer of texture and flavor to your dish. And there you have it. Your chicken fried rice is ready to be served. With the perfect combination of rice, chicken, eggs, soy sauce, and veggies, this dish is sure to be a hit. Enjoy your homemade, restaurant-quality chicken fried rice right in the comfort of your own home.